Good afternoon everyone, welcome back once again. You are watching this mock test series video number 3 and this video is going to be your PYQ based, and for this PDF if you are enrolled in our CMP program then you would have already received this particular PDF which is curated specially for the CMP members. If you don't know how to join, you can just mail on the given address, and what all the benefits are, what is the cost, and all those things will be provided to you in a form of PDF. It's totally up to you. Everything is completely free. But if you want to take your preparation to higher level, better level, or whatever that English adjective we can use, so you can join. It's totally up to you. If not, it's completely okay. Enjoy the video. First of all, as you can see, question number 1 says that which of the following is the negative symptom of schizophrenia? Okay, so negative symptom of schizophrenia, what is that one? And if you have watched the previous video on schizophrenia, complete detail, HDD was the mnemonic for the positive one. And as you can see, H and D both over here. So I guess it is very easy for you to answer this particular question. Try to answer this question in the comment section and you will be what? You can check once the video is completed whether your answers are correct or not. Okay. So which of the following is the negative symptom of schizophrenia? Delusion, avolition, hallucination, or catatonic behavior? What is the correct answer? Make sure that you comment down below so that later on you can just tally what you marked today and what you marked after the learning or after the preparation. Right before your examination, you can come back again to this video and correct your answers. So for schizophrenia, you have one name, Bloller, Eugen Bloller, what he mentioned about schizophrenia. If you have not watched that video, then it is becomes very important for you to answer or to learn from that particular video. We have discussed in complete detail, and that movie called as The Beautiful Mind. If you want to study about schizophrenia in detail, if you want to understand how real it can be, how real the hallucinations can be, how real the delusions can be, then this one movie is a go-to. Delusion, ovulation, hallucination, catatonic behavior. What is the correct answer? Try to answer it. Let's move forward to the next one. Read the following statement. Persistent depressive disorder was formerly called as. What is the correct answer over here? Cyclothymic, dysthymic, major depressive disorder, or manic depressive disorder. Persistent depressive disorder. Okay, we are talking about the depression thing over here and what it was formerly called as. Was it cyclothymic or dysthymic? Try to answer it correctly. Let's move forward to the next one. Affective instability and highly unstable. See, the type of questions are little tricky one, so that you are able to easily crack the entrance examination. These type of questions. Unstable self-image are characteristics of paranoid personality, histrionic, borderline, antisocial. You can refer to psychopathology book, the P book or N book, and from there you will have access to these kind of personality disorders. So affective instability, what is the meaning of affect? It is clearly mentioned in the N book. And highly unstable self-image are characteristics of which of the following personality disorder? Okay, try to answer this in the comment section. Let's move forward to the fourth one. The fourth question says that avoidance is the cardinal characteristic of avoidance, substance abuse, phobia, paranoia, or mania. So you need to understand what is avoidance is, and cardinal characteristics you don't need to do, but what is substance abuse, what is phobia, what is paranoia, and what is mania. For that you need to learn, study about psychopathology from the books mentioned, and you will be able to answer these kinds of questions. So out of these four options, where you will avoid the scene or avoid the scenario or avoid the situation more? In substance abuse, in phobia, in paranoia, or mania, what is going to be the correct answer? Try to answer it. Let's move forward to the fifth one. Fifth question says that select the personality disorder which is not included in cluster B. Now, what is cluster B? You have to find out whether it is in DSM-5 or whether it is in DSM-4 or DSM-4-TR or DSM-5-TR or it is in ICD-10. From where, or it is somewhere else, this cluster B. And what it is talking about? Narcissistic, histrionic, avoidant, and borderline. What is not included in cluster B? So first of all, you need to understand about cluster B, and then which of the following is not included. You have to answer that. For this, what you will do, you have to study and try to attempt these sort of questions. If you find these difficult, you have to learn more, read more, and try these kind of questions more. So comment the correct answer if you know about this. If not, it's completely okay. There's time, ample amount of time. You can learn more things and get going. Moving forward, question number 6 and question number 7 together. Bhang, ganja, charas are examples of which category of substances, and this is an easy one. If you don't know this much, then it is probably not a good sign of your preparation. Charas, ganja, and bhang. What are these substances called? Are these called opioids, stimulants, hallucinogens, and cannabis? For this, you can refer to the C book or any other psychopathology book where you will find these answers for that. What is included in what? Stimulants are what? Are they stimulate the CNS or PNS? What they stimulate? You will be able to understand all these things. Okay. So try to answer it. Question number 6. So what you will do? You will answer question number 1 like this, question number 2 like this, question number 3 like this. And once you get the answer key, you will tell you that. Okay. Now where you will get the answer key? You will get the answer key in our Telegram channel. So link is given in the description where you will find the answer key for this mock test PYQ based video 1 or mock 3 1. Alright. So opioids, stimulants, cannabis, hallucinogens. What is the correct answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 question we have done so far. Try to answer it. Okay. And question number 7, Beck's cognitive model. Okay, now which Beck we are talking about? Is it Aaron Beck or is it somebody else? Beck's cognitive model of depression describes a pattern of negative automatic thoughts. Are we talking about any triad over here? The future, the past, the self, the world. Okay. 1, 3, 2, 4. What is going to be the correct answer? Try to answer this. Beck's cognitive model. If you don't know about this, read more about this Beck's cognitive model because this is IMP. Though they are not asking this so much in the recent examinations, but this model is a important one. Okay. Now moving forward, eighth one, which combination of neurochemicals is involved in regulating mood states? Again a IMP one for your practice. Okay. Serotonin, dopamine and GABA, glutamate, serotonin, acetylcholine, norepinephrine, serotonin, dopamine, GABA, serotonin and norepinephrine. What is going to be the correct answer for eighth one? Try to comment below and check your answers once you get the answer key in the Telegram group. Okay, what they are talking about, which combination of neurochemicals is involved in regulation of your mood, regulating mood states we are talking about over here in 8th one, where you can read in the C book, you can read, or any other psychopathology N book, you can read about these things which are important for you. Okay. Moving forward, question number 9 coming up next. Which of the following disorder is not included in the new category of obsessive compulsive disorder according to DSM-5? Okay. So right now they might not ask about DSM-5 in particular, but yes, moving forward, if you are watching this video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years later, then DSM-5 is the one you need to go to. Okay. Now, body dysmorphic disorder, hoarding disorder, illness, anxiety disorder, and trichotillomania or trichotillomania, whatever way you want to pronounce. But which of the following disorder is not included? We are talking about in the new category of OCD. So under OCD, what is not included as per the DSM-5? So you need to study about DSM-5. Yes, little bit. You have some to have some knowledge about the categories or the this categories and distinctions about the DSM-5 and the history of DSM as well. Okay, so body dysmorphic, hoarding, illness, and trichotillomania. What is the correct answer? Try to comment down below. Moving forward to the last question for the day, that is going to be question number 10. Most symptoms of panic attack. See, these kind of questions are included for you in the program. Why? Because you are getting the exposure, okay, to these type of questions which are varying from easy to high or easy to low or low to high. These kind of questions, the difficulty level I am talking about in particular. Okay, just now you answered about ganja, charas, and cannabis. What the correct answer can be? Okay, and these kind of difficult questions as well. Why? Because it is telling you about most symptoms of panic attack are perceived as related to which medical problems. So we are discussing about this panic attack or panic disorder or anxiety disorder, and now we have to regulate our knowledge with the cardiac, abdominal, respiratory or neurological as well. Okay, so the panic attack which you or any person is having around your neighborhood or in train, bus, flight, anywhere, are perceived as related to which medical problems? Is it cardiac problem? Is it abdominal problem? Is it respiratory problem? Or is it neurological problem? Even if you apply common sense, you will be able to answer this in particular. But if not, try to comment down below what is going to be the correct answer. Okay. All right. So these were the all 10 questions which are in your Telegram group of your CMP program membership. So if you are the part of CMP members, you already have this along with the answers. And if you are not part of this, you are watching this video, then you should join the Telegram channel given in the link in the description. And from there, you will have the answer key for all these questions. Okay. So Comment down below out of 10 how many you are able to answer correctly. The questions are varying from easy to difficult. These are not the exact questions that will come in your examination, but the knowledge which you will be exploring around this will boost your preparation and will help you to solve or eliminate the questions in the examination. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.